Here we presents the 5 best kitchen utility knife. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Sometimes, simplicity is the answer for cooks just learning about utility knives. This handcrafted knife is bare bones in its presentation, but it's more than capable of providing you with the comfortable grip and sharp edge you need to be a success in the kitchen. The high-carbon stainless steel blade is well sharpened to reduce resistance. It is powerful enough to cut through roots and radishes and gentle enough to slice through delicate foods without making a mess. At number 4. An elegant ceramic answer to stainless steel variants, this utility knife can make a fine addition to any modern kitchen. The blade is made of a dense ceramic surface that is carefully crafted to resist all types of wear while providing users with a very sharp edge. Because of the unique physical and chemical composition of the knife, it is able to resist corrosion and rust, and the ceramic material reduces damage to the knife itself, which means that it can retain its shape for longer. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. This serrated utility knife is 5.5 inches long. It is made from durable high-carbon stainless steel, and it is intended for regular use, evident in its attractive construction and presentation. The blade is non-stick, and it features an exquisite Damascus pattern upon its surface that is reminiscent of flowing water or wood grain. The rounded handle eases your grip, and the knife itself is carefully balanced to provide you with the heft you need to cut through your food quickly and easily. Though not intended to be an entry-level utility knife, it can be a perfect addition to any cook's arsenal once they are comfortable with the tool. At number 2. This brand's knives are renowned for their laser-controlled edges, featuring durable metals in the construction to provide users with a longer-lasting knife. The knife itself is made from a single piece of high-carbon steel, carefully shaped into the desirable form to reduce weaknesses and faults. The handles are made from a polymer resin, and you can see the several rivets that keep the blade anchored to the handle itself, reducing the risk of long-term damage. The knife is 6 inches long and designed for convenience in a busy kitchen. It features a straight edge that does not require any additional care to sharpen. And coming in at number 1 of our list. This utility knife is the result of decades of traditional craftsmanship. It is capable of not only holding its edge but also resisting all types of damage thanks to its superior construction and metal quality. The knife features a Japanese multi-layer steel line that is designed to provide users with the construction they need to stay on top of their cooking in an active kitchen. The blade measures 5 inches and showcases a beautiful Damascus-style surface, making the knife as much of a decorative tool as a functional one. The knife is also dishwasher safe, so it is perfect for busy households. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this video.